Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious fish kababs at home. First, select a firm, white fish such as cod or halibut, ensuring it's fresh. Cut your chosen fish into uniform 1-inch cubes. This helps everything cook evenly. Next, prepare your marinade with spices and herbs. Allow the fish to marinate for a minimum of 30 minutes, letting those wonderful flavors really soak in. This initial step is crucial for tender, flavorful kababs. Now, let's get those kababs ready for cooking. If using wooden skewers, soak them in water for about 20 minutes. This prevents them from burning on the grill. Carefully thread the marinated fish cubes onto the skewers. Alternate the fish with your favorite vegetables, such as colorful bell peppers and red onions. Remember not to overcrowd each skewer. Leave small gaps between pieces to ensure everything cooks thoroughly and evenly.
Hey everyone, if you're finding these tips helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. Quick recommendation. On another note, imagine reading your favorite recipes or cookbooks anywhere, even by the pool. The new Kindle Paperwhite makes it super easy. It's waterproof and has a glare-free display. Check the description below for the link to the Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video.
Cooking your fish kababs can be done in a couple of ways. For grilling, preheat your grill to a medium-high heat, aiming for about 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Grill the kababs for 8 to 10 minutes, turning them occasionally until the fish is opaque and flaky. If baking, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake for 12 to 15 minutes, or until the fish is perfectly cooked through. Both methods yield fantastic results. Once your fish kababs are perfectly cooked, it's time to enjoy them. Serve them immediately, perhaps with a generous squeeze of fresh lemon juice to brighten the flavors. They pair wonderfully with a simple side salad or some fluffy basmati rice. For an extra touch of freshness and color, garnish your kababs with some freshly chopped cilantro or parsley. These simple additions truly elevate the dish, making it a complete and satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.